Dzień dobry from Poland. This is the second country on my list as I continue my mission of visiting one hospital in every European Union country plus the 3 others to meet new heroes and show my appreciation and thanks to healthcare workers. To know more about my story, please watch my previous videos. I will add the links in the description below. I always have a special feeling when I travel to Poland because it was the first country I visited when I started discovering the world. Thanks to Ryanair, it was possible for me to travel at very low cost during that time. And they continue to deliver affordable prices for more people to explore new destinations. And here I am again, taking an early flight with Ryanair from Stockholm, Sweden to Warsaw, Poland. Join me. The flight cost 15 euros and I paid 6 euros extra for priority boarding and 2 cabin bags, so the total was 21 euros. That's cheaper than taking the Arlanda Express train from Stockholm Airport to the city center. It's crazy, but I love it. I stayed in a really cool hostel located in Warsaw's Old Town. I will make a separate full review video about it, as well as places you should visit in Warsaw. But first, let's find our nurse hero in Poland. In Poland, the COVID-19 pandemic has led to more than 120,000 deaths and has had a significant impact on healthcare workers who have been fighting against the virus on the front lines, just like healthcare workers all over the world. In April 2021, it was reported that over 350 healthcare workers had died from COVID-19. This includes doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals who caught the virus while taking care of COVID-19 patients. Today, I have the honor of meeting one of the nurses who is working in a Warsaw intensive care unit. But before we meet the nurse, let me introduce you to a super nice and friendly person that I have just met in the metro station. I was asking him for directions to one of the hospitals I was supposed to visit, and this is what happened. Okay, funny story. I just stopped Carol just to ask him where I need to go to the hospital that I supposed to meet some nurses. And he was so kind and friendly and so open. And he just wanted to be part of this video. So it was really nice of him. This is the point of the life. Yeah. We need to have this easy connection with people. That's what we are missing in this our life.
Yeah, that's important, that we won't be worried to help some people to get connections just randomly on the street and be spontaneous.
Exactly,
yeah.
Exactly. That's a good point. So now we will heading to the... in the beginning I was planning to go to another hospital, but he gave me some extra information that there is another hospital that there
where that's all beginning. When the COVID hits the Poland in the March 2020, that was the first hospital where the patients were cured, and that was the place where the hardest cases were cured. So I think they gone through a lot of war with the COVID. That was literal war with COVID.
Oh, so now we are heading there, and there is another story actually. His grandma, she is a nurse as well, and she is 72 years old.
Yeah, and she's still working.
She's still working. So big thanks for her as well, and big respect that she still keep working at this time. So just join with us, guys. So the hospital is close by from here. So hope we will meet a nurse. So we arrived here to this hospital, one of the hospitals that they will treat COVID-19 patients here. And they still, like, no one can come inside without to have mask. So this is a good thing. And Carl, he was telling some story about this part here.
Yeah, during the Second World War, the Germans killed Poles in this hospital, and this is the when you see on the upper side of the table, they say that this is the place sacred by the blood of Poles who died during the Second World War.
Wow, that's really crazy.
They just murdered people in the hospitals. They don't have any like. I don't have a word.
Okay, mercy to
mercy. Yeah, exactly. Mercy.
And you know what? We had the flower as well.
Yeah.
We found it in some shop here.
It's packed.
So let's do this.
You need to wear a mask.
You need to wear a mask here. Okay.
We need to go to another entrance.
Okay.
This is the main entrance and we go to another entrance. Okej, czyli w lewo czy w prawo?
Głównym wejściem przez Frontline. Jak Państwo wyjdziecie z tego budynku, to trzeba wyjść w lewo i wtedy będzie napisane szlaban i szpital zakaźny.
Okej, dobrze.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dziękujemy.
So maybe this is the entry, yeah?
Okay, we are going there.
It's really nice of you. Otherwise, if I come here by myself, I will not understand nothing because
the
everything's in Polish, yeah?
hospitals, everything is in Polish.
Yeah.
Okay, the main entrance. Here we have a chapel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh. So this is inside the hospital.
Yeah. In every hospital in Poland.
In every hospital in Poland they have... Oh, really? That's so cool. That's really so cool.
The direction just to inform them that we are inside of the building.
Okay.
Yeah. Przepraszam, jest dyrekcja. Słucham? To w którym? Okay, dobra. Another building.
Okay. It's look quiet hospital.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's the pandemic, it's over.
Przepraszam bardzo, szukamy dyrekcji.
Drugie piętro, tutaj tymi schodami na drugie piętro i potem korytarzem do samego końca.
Korytarzem do samego końca w lewo czy w prawo?
Tymi schodami na górę, jak będę już na drugim piętrze, cały czas do przodu będą drzwi z napisem sekretariat.
Okej, dziękuję.
Thank you. I think we need to have some permission to record inside the hospital. I think this is the director.
Dzień dobry. Szukam jednej pielęgniarki, która faktycznie w każdym kraju, która faktycznie z tym COVID-em walczyła, żeby wręczyć jej kwiaty, żeby wręczyć jej prezent, podziękować za uratowanie tylu ludzkich żyć. Czy mogłaby nas Pani przedstawić z jakąś taką panią pielęgniarką, która miałaby teraz chwilę?
To już wszystko, tak? To już wszystko i to wszystko.
Nice to meet you. I work in Stockholm airport. So once I get inspired by a passenger who appreciates my work, at that time what service I did for him.
Rozumie Pani, czy tłumaczyć?
Nie, Pan przetłumaczy, bo rozumiem, ale nie Pan przetłumaczy.
Kolega pracuje na lotnisku w Sztokholmie i kiedyś jeden z pasażerów bardzo docenił jego pracę.
Wow.
So he inspired me to do something in return. So when COVID hit, it was a big things that's happened for me personally and for many people in around the world.
Tak, no to było dla niego coś bardzo dużego, no i pandemia zmieniła niewątpliwie jego życie i życie każdego z nas.
So I did something small that appreciate all the frontline workers who fought against COVID-19.
Więc robi coś takiego małego, żeby docenić wszystkich takich pracowników na pierwszej linii frontu, którzy walczyli z tym COVID-em i którzy ratowali ludzi.
And the same things I appreciate all the healthcare worker even before COVID, how they really treat us and help us to survive. So if she know the graffiti artist Banksy,
Kojarzy Pani Banksego, tego artysty?
so Banksy he made some painting to appreciate all nurses' work.
Yeah.
So he inspired me as well
To jest
to do this
tego, żeby właśnie docenić te wszystkie
to do
pielęgniarki.
this piece of art.
No,
So whenever you're going to see it home or here in hospital, it will just give you a reminiscence and will remind you how grateful we are for all that you are doing.
Tak, podziękowanie za to, żebyście wszystkie i wszyscy wiedziały za to, jak bardzo doceniamy to, co zrobiliście dla całego naszego narodu.
no, wow. Wow. Uwielbiam go.
She told that this is beautiful and she loved you.
We love you. We thank you for everything you are doing. Thank you so much, and really we can't appreciate you enough. And just keep this
Jestem
amazing job.
zaskoczona.
She's surprised, but positively surprised.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Can I give her a hug for?
Możecie się przytulić, tak?
Oczywiście.
Dobrze, to ja może podtrzymam, żeby się nie uszkodziło.
Oczywiście.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Oczywiście.
I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Czy chce mu pani coś jeszcze powiedzieć na przykład?
Jestem bardzo zaskoczona.
She is very surprised.
To jest takie, że... O!
I am so grateful for the help provided by the staff at Warsaw Hospital in finding the nurse we were looking for. Thank you all very much. I would also like to extend my thanks and appreciation to all healthcare workers in Poland. You are all heroes. I want really to thank you for the amazing opportunity that I had with you.
It was a huge opportunity for me too.
It started from,
Excuse
me, do you know this hospital? Until now.
Yeah, you asked me where is the metro station, and we got to local vegan
So
bistro,
it's
which
take
we
only-
highly recommended.
It's take only one question. Just one question to get a new friend. Simple like this. It's not really complicated. Just to have some connection with people. So I am really happy that I met Carol, and I am more happier as well that I did my second country, Poland, and I give it to the amazing nurse. What was her name?
Wiesława.
𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞. So 𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞, if you see this video, thank you so much. It was so nice, so kind, and it was an amazing experience actually to do it for the second time. And I will keep going. 28 countries left, and it's add one more story to my video that I met many new friends here in Warsaw.
It was all my pleasure, and I'm really happy that I decided to take part in your project.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you
I
so
really
much.
appreciate you for today, and see you for the next time.
See you next
for
time.
next time.
Okay.
Thank you guys. See you for next video in a new country. See you. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with the healthcare heroes you know and become part of the journey. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. It could be about a new nurse hero from your country.